Do you or somebody you know do push-ups like this, bro? If you do, keep watching this video. If you know somebody, have them watch this video too. So this is how you want to do your push-ups, all right? You want to make sure as much as possible that your shoulders are back. This is going to help protect your shoulders as well as get a little bit more stretch on your chest, all right? Arms shoulder width out, a little bit more than shoulder width out. Shoulders back. We're gonna do a three count down and then explode up. All right, so 1, 2, 3, boom. 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 And that's how you want to do your push-ups, all right? Don't cheat your workouts because you're risking injury and you're wasting time, energy, and effort, bro. All right? So try your push-ups like this, and I promise you, it's going to be tougher, but I promise you, you will see and feel a difference, bro. So try it out. Let me know how it goes.